this part's recorded this early morning right after. This is our editing to our, yeah. After looking through the footage that we took, so you can't hear him. The guy's talking. The guy in front of you, I'm the guy who mostly hears the video. But my name's Sebastian. You might know me. Guy who you're looking from, his name's Keith. Sorry, you can't really hear him. He's not too much of a talkative guy. Yeah, also our audio's absolutely crap, so that's also another problem. The video quality, it's, yeah, like awesome too. Yeah, thank you, and we hope you enjoyed. Currently we have a storm on the ground at the moment, heading right for Melissa. Here with my friend Cube. Cube, say hi to the audience. Yeah, we got our probes and stuff, well, let's get chasing. We don't want to miss this. Yeah. We might have to call first responders if anything bad happens. Anyways, let's get this chase started. Alright, bro. What's the problem? We gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of here. May. Join!
Pointing a probe right here. Alright. My car! Uh-oh. Okay, shoot, I gotta get out!
Oh my god.
Oh no, a tree just fell on top of me.
My friend's gone. No. Oh my god, thank god you're alive.
A tree fell on top of me.
Jeez. Okay, are you safe? Are you okay?
Yes.
Oh god, it's heading right for Melissa.
Be careful here. You're still pretty close to it.
Yeah, okay. Oh my goodness.
This is a monster.
Oh my god. We gotta get in front of it. We gotta take a part. Oh my god, this wood feels insane. Oh my god, this wood feels.
Uh-oh.
Getting one to my bassinet. God, be careful!
Oh no. I'm gonna try and drive away from the tornado. No!
Oh, can you hear me?
Yeah? Are you okay? What happened?
It's crazy!
Where are you?
I'm making escape!
Where are you?
No!
Where are you?
No! Oh Lord!
You mean you don't know where you are?
No! Oh Lord! No! No! We got a major trumpet on the ground down by Elmhurst. Now I have a clear visual. It seems to be a nice cut wedge shape. It seems to be turning pretty fast.
It's just raining hill for me right now.
But yeah, I don't have strong enough, yeah, I won't be able to post, record any videos. My camera's currently broken at the moment.
Oh, I have a very clear visual of the tornado now.
Head down the road very quickly. We're not gonna get away from the tornado in time. We won't, it's moving fast.
I need to drop a probe over here. It's not going towards that house, by the way, just so you know. It's coming over here! Oh shoot! Alright everybody, we have a new storm on our hands. We're gonna see if we can get a good probe intercept of this. Hopefully not get moved.
We tried to call up Sean Casey earlier. He said sure you'll lend us the tip one, like, I don't know, in like 2 days or whatever. Or next tornado outbreak. So we might be able to get some pretty good data. I'm gonna stop by this workshop later today or next tomorrow. By Auburn and pick up, or down by up by Auburn and pick up the TIB one. He's been rambling about this project called the TIB 2 or something like that. He says it's gonna be way stronger than the TIB 1 apparently. He says he's gonna equip it with spikes or something later. I don't know. Yeah. Considering I have an IVAC system, maybe we'll be able to get some pretty good shots. Right, bro?
Yeah. Yeah, he's gonna lend us his IMAX camera too, so
Yeah.
that'll be pretty cool.
We get some shots. He's gonna be driving. Can I drive? We can be an IVAC.
Yeah,
They're pretty good.
we're gonna
Taking the
take
shots.
turns driving.
Nah. You're good on videotape.
Alright.
Nah, you can
I'm gonna
be
place my
support.
probe.
You can be
Okay,
support.
I gotta run. I have to run.
Yeah, you can be support, Bill.
Oh no.
Drive!
Wait, I'll be okay. Actually, yeah, I'll be okay. I'll just, actually, no.
I just got notified by Sean Casey. Billy's actually planning us to lend us the TIB 1 early after. Apparently tomorrow. He just needs to get it out and stop and fix stuff. He needs to change the oil on it, so.
He also said that he just has, like, no plans for tomorrow, like, no recording.
Yeah.
So,
Apparently he's gonna be adding flaws onto it because it's a weather channel is following him around like the background. Apparently, they apparently wanted to add flaws for our safety issues. And you know, whatever.
at the end of the day, we are going, after this one tornado, we are going to go home, and we are going to go to bed.
Yeah.
And we're gonna wake up early.
We're also, I'm gonna try to Auburn and we're gonna pick up the TIB 1.
Yeah.
Apparently he just finished
It's
it.
gonna take us about an hour to get there, an hour back, so we gotta go to sleep early.
Yeah.
So we can have energy. Alright. There are so many down power lines. This is getting really dangerous. So bad.
I know.
This tornado's over, then we're gonna head home, and
Yeah.
what a long day of chasing, man. That was
I know.
Actress, we're pretty
Oh,
poor.
yeah.
We
Oh.
kind of spend all our money on like storm chasing stuff and this camera that we can record with. But it's fine. It's still pretty comfortable. floor's kind of soft.
Yeah, I guess so. As updated once in a while. Alright, so camera off. Goodbye.